buddies. Good morning. Happy Monday. It is about 8:42 in the morning. I love that for us. Today is gonna be a fun day. We have to prep for our vacation. Look at all the stuff on the floor.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no.
We have to take some stuff back. We have to get our nails done. Let's look.
What the hell?
What is happening? We need to go work out. I'm about to go and do that. It's just like so many things need to happen today. So after I get back from my workout, I'm gonna pop back. We're gonna start the vacay prep. We're leaving in 2 days to go to Costa Rica. Costa Rica. In my brain, Costa Rica is like such a pink and green kind of place, like kind of vibe. And so I'm excited. I'm excited to finish packing and not have to worry about certain stuff. I got a new luggage case. I got some new shoes. So all the things. So I'll show you all of that when we get back. But I'm glad we started the vlog here. Anywho, see you when I'm back from my workout. Hey friends, I just got to the place where I'm getting my nails done, but I have to wait in the car for maybe like 30 minutes. I have a call for work, so I need to get on that call, get my nails done, go back home, finish doing all of the deck building and stuff that I need to do for work before I go out of office. And then I also have to pack and try on all the clothes that I'm packing. I was gonna do my makeup before I tried on the clothes, you know, just to get the vibes, you know what I mean? But now I'm wondering if that is a good idea or not. So now I'm wondering if that's a good idea or not. Kind of seems like a waste of time, but I guess I could do my makeup and then I could pack the makeup. I was thinking French. Just because it's easier to like hide if your nails grow out just a little bit. I don't know if I'm not gonna get my nails done again, I guess for another 2 weeks, so it's not, I really have to keep up with my nails next month because it's my birthday month and I'm traveling a lot next month, so it's just like, I'm gonna be on the plane 3 times next month. And really that means 6 times because you gotta get there and back. So I love it for me. So let me look. Pinterest. When I find it, I'm gonna let you guys know. We're gonna go in, we're gonna get our nails done. This is what they look like before.
That's pretty good.
We're gonna be back. Love you. Bye. So I did get my nails done. I went with this color.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I think that it's real cute. So you guys know I'm in my pink era, so having anything pink is a great time. And now my fingernails are pink, but also I got a different shape because I typically always get the ovular nails. I'm pretty sure that's not what it's called, but I always get those. And I was like, I'm gonna be back in like a few weeks anyway for my birthday nails, so there's no real point in me getting any designs, but there's also no point in me getting oval. Like, try something new. If you hate it, then you hate it. But I don't hate it. I think it's kind of interesting. Here, let me show you. So I have my planner in here with me, and I need to do some other stuff. Ta-da! So I did work out this morning, so I could check that off. I do want to work out again. Like, that's why I haven't like shown that I showered yet, because I haven't yet. It's 3 o'clock and I haven't showered.
Oh yeah? That's gross, man.
I'm just saying, my leg workout this morning was really fucking hard. So I don't know why, but it was really hard and it was really bad and I did not have a good time. So I feel like I need to do another workout. So I kind of want to do that, but it's fine. And then I did get my nails done, and then I need to pack and do a try on for all of my clothes and tidy up the house a little bit more, a little shower routine, you know, all vibes, all vibes. And then I also need to send out some emails for work, of course, because I'm working, whatever. So then I'm gonna hold it pretty far away from you guys so you can't see. And then I have all of this other stuff to do today for work. I'm having a good time. but I'm not having a good time.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. And you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
But I'll see you guys when I get home. I may stop and get some Smoothie King because, like, let's just be real. I'm getting to the point in my day where I need another snack, and I do have some tuna tacos at home. I have to show you those when I get home. They're my favorite. Actually, they're really good. And I'll eat those tuna tacos and a smoothie, I think. So while I'm on my way home, I have like maybe a 20-minute or so drive home. So while I'm on my way home, I'm going to rest my mind, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Ooh. Hello guys, good morning. It's the next day, obviously. Did I do what I need to do?
Wow.
I came home after I got my nails done. I worked pretty late last night.
That's not true. That's a lie.
Did I pack? No. Did I do my skincare stuff packing? No. I do want to go back out today to like get some more bikinis because I just feel like I don't have enough and they're not like fitting the vibes. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna do my morning skincare, share that little moment with you. I'm gonna call my friend back on FaceTime. I'm gonna get ready for my calls today because I have like, I want to say, I just have like one really important call this afternoon, which could make or break my quarter. If you didn't know, I work in sales, tech sales, SaaS sales, software, technology sales, whatever you want to say. I don't care. And so the decks that I was making yesterday were for clients. You know what I mean? Like when I talk to them, you want to have a nicely laid out agenda and a beautiful PowerPoint. So that's what I was doing last night, and just like responding to emails, making sure my email box is at what? 0, because I didn't like that. 0 because I don't understand why people just have like emails in their inbox. That's really interesting because I don't respond to my personal email. Hypocrite. Anywho, let's do a skincare and get going with the day. Maybe I'll put a little makeup on too because, right, I'm not putting makeup on.
You all right?
To go to the airport tomorrow, so I might as well put my makeup on today for my calls and then
I've got you. You'll be all right.
pop out. Cool. Okay, perfect. So I did do my makeup. It's a bit bright. It's a bit like, oh, but I figured that I should do my makeup to let me know like how I'm going to do it when I'm in Costa Rica, because I felt like, what was I going for? You know what I mean? I just got off my work call, the first one of today. I have like hella calls this afternoon. But I am gonna sit down with you guys really briefly and show you all of the stuff that I'm bringing to Costa Rica with us. Hey guys, oh my god, we're here. We just landed. We left out of the airport and we ended up getting a taxi to our hotel. We're staying in Antonia. So the taxi from here down there is 170, or we could have taken a taxi from here to the center of the city for 30 and rode a 4-hour bus ride. Our time is worth 170. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Let's go ahead and check in and get to the beach as soon as humanly possible. Hi friends, as you guys saw, we just arrived at our first villa. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. We just walked up all these stairs. So I'll start at the door. This is the door. This is where we just came in, clearly. So if you come this way, we have the ocean view. We have this cute little balcony. And this is the room. How cute. Little mini fridge. And then this is the shower.
Hi. How are you?
It's so cute. I love it. We did just get this room this morning. Like, I don't know. Right before we got on the airport. We had no idea where we were staying for the first 2 nights. So this is so nice. Okay, so we're gonna change clothes, figure out what we wanna do, and we'll be back. Hi friends. Okay, so we just got to Emilio's Cafe. When food gets here, I'll have to show you. I wanna show you the amazing view from the cafe. Okay, show you the food when it gets here. Thank you so much. Freaking lit. We'll be back after I finish this. Stop playing with this chocolate mousse. Why does it look so delicious? Why is it so thick like that? Go ahead, babe. You try it first.
You want me to try it first?
Yeah. That's good.
I don't think you could do it better.
Okay. This is the piece I have currently. I think after this we're gonna go to the supermarket and then we're just gonna head back to the hotel and just hang out, chill. After we just eat all that food and this dessert, baby, we damn near need a nap. But it's like nighttime, so if we take a nap, we're gonna just wake up super late at night. So amazing. But I think it's gonna start raining soon, so I think we should start heading back.